Hi everyone, myself Ahmed Merchant. Welcome back to my channel where we custom sneakers. Enough of Nike Air Force Ones. Today we're gonna custom this beautiful pair of Puma. Well, the model of this particular Puma sneakers are SL Carina. This is basically for a woman. Complete white, you can have a look. And this is not the first custom I'm gonna do on Puma brand. Well, this is low ankle Puma shoes. I've already custom one of the high ankle Puma sneakers with the Tom and Jerry custom. You can have a look over here. And also, if you want to check out more of this kind of collection, you can check on my Instagram, that's merchant.customs. And if you want to order any of those pairs, you can order through my website, that's merchantcustoms.in. So theme for today's custom is cartoon custom, where I'm gonna color this pair of sneaker with all the different shades of feminine colors, pastel basically. And I'm gonna go with the bordering with black color, which will give this particular shoe a cartoon effect. I'm very excited to work on this particular pair of Puma sneaker. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. Let's start customizing them. I'm done with this beautiful pair of Puma custom sneakers, and as I said that I'm gonna go with different shades of pastel colors with the cartoon custom theme. You can have a look.
Wow!
And I'm very much happy with this kind of artwork. Well, this is the first Puma custom sneakers with the cartoon custom theme. I've already done with the Nike Air Force 1 cartoon custom theme. You can go through these videos if you haven't checked these videos. And if you want to see more this kind of cartoon custom theme, you can go through my Instagram. There are more than 150 custom sneakers on my Instagram. It's merchant.customs. And if you want to order any of those pairs, you can order through my website. That's merchantcustoms.in. If you love my artwork, please like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another pair of custom sneaker. But you guys don't go away because photo shoot of this particular custom sneaker is about to begin.